Hello, this is a video to support the class on going to, which is a grammar point that appears in stage 1, unit 12. It's actually the last grammar point you will learn in this stage. So let's begin. Take a look at this picture. It shows ingredients. Ingredients is food that we put together to make a dish. So we have rice, we have chicken, we have all these herbs, onions, tomatoes, some yogurt. What do you think we're going to make? We're going to make biryani, one of my favorite things. So we can use this phrase, I'm going to make biryani. This is going to. I'm going to make biryani. Look at these pictures. What ingredients do we have here? So in the top first one, we have I'm going to make a cake. Look at the ingredients. We're going to make a cake. The second one, just a pot with beans and cups. I'm going to make coffee. And of course, after you finish everything, eating the cake, drinking the coffee, the biryani, I'm going to wash the dishes. So we've changed the verb here to wash. If we change this to she, he, or maybe they, because dishes takes more than one person, then we change the verb be in the middle. She's going to make a cake. He's going to make coffee. They're going to wash the dishes. Still with going to, but we've changed the verb to be there. Here is I'm. Here is she's, he's, or there. So what does going to mean here? So going to plus the verb. The verb we've used is make. We also used wash. It's about the future because we have ingredients here, but they're not a cake yet. With the ingredients in the future, she's going to make a cake. It's also a plan. We know it's a plan because you bought the ingredients. You have the coffee. The dishes are dirty. It's a plan for the future. It's something that's going to happen. It's like a sure thing. Let's look back at the picture. Make biryani. So we form it like this. I am. The verb is make biryani. And we throw in going to. I'm going to make biryani. The verb is make. Going to is also a verb, but it's the future tense here. Same like how we would use will or did in the past. So the different forms, we have going to plus the verb. So make is the verb. We have I am going to make biryani. For you and for he, what do you think we put? We don't put am, we put are and is. You are going to make a biryani. He is going to make biryani. You use are for we and they, and you also use is for she and it, but it doesn't make biryani unless it was a robot, I guess. Don't forget that we can make these words go together. So we can say I am or I'm with the apostrophe instead of the A. Same for you, your, he, he's. So all the sentences we looked at are positive. They talk about something you are going to do, yes. But if it's negative, a question, what do we say? For negative, we say, I'm not going to make biryani. we put the not before going. For the question, we put the verb to be at the start. Are you going to make biryani? You can also add a question word like what? What are you going to make? You could say when. The answers, yes I am, no I'm not. Let's look at the pronunciation. So this is not for spelling, this is only for how it sounds. When you say to, it sounds a bit shorter. It sounds like a t sound. So listen carefully. I'm going to make biryani. I'm going to make biryani. It's not a loud to, it's a soft t sound. And also when you pronounce going to make, some sounds are stronger, some sounds are softer. So listen. I'm going to make biryani. I'm going to make biryani. Going and make are a little stronger than to and I'm. I'm going to make biryani. So things to remember with this tense. It's a future plan. I'm going to make biryani. It's something that is happening soon. It's happening in the future. Don't forget is or are. So if it's you are going to make biryani. She is going to make biryani. If it's not, we put not before going. So I'm not going to make biryani. If it's a question, we change the you and the are the other way around. Are you going to make biryani? Are you going to make biryani? And don't forget the word to. Lots of people will write, I'm going to make biryani, but don't forget to. Because it's soft when we speak it, they forget to write it, but you need to write it when you say it. So, just to finish, I'm going to stop talking about biryani because I'm getting a bit hungry. So let's imagine it's 3 o'clock, classes are finished. What are you going to do after class today? Here are some things you could do. I'm going to visit the mall. Visit is the verb, but we use going to. It's after class. I'm going to invite my friends. You're going to phone them. You're going to send them an SMS, something to invite them. We are going to buy some clothes. So which shop will you go to buy the clothes? And with we've put are. I'm not going to spend a lot of money. So with not, we've put it before going to. Okay, that's it. Thank you.